Okay, today we're gonna make the mouth, the nose and the ears. We're gonna use the different one. Okay, first we're gonna make the nose. We'll do a magic ring. We'll use this hook, 5mm. We're gonna make 6 single crochet in the ring. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Tighten it. Here you go. Now we're gonna do the increase. We're gonna put 2 single crochet and 1 stitch, so we're gonna make it 12 all around. 12 single crochet. Okay, I'm gonna put the marker. Okay, so that is counted 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and that's it. Just need to slip stitch. There you go. Make a tail to use for sewing it. Okay, just cut this extra. Okay, so this is the mouth. Now we're gonna make the ears. These ears, but we're gonna use the same one. For the ears, still the same magic ring and 5 single crochet in the magic ring. Okay, 1, oh no, not yet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, it's just 5 only. Let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, pull it. Okay, now we're gonna do the increase. So we're gonna make 10 single crochet. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I just need to cut this one. Now in this one we're gonna chain 1 and then turn to the other side. Okay, then single crochet all around. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, last stitch, 10. Okay. O, diba? Okay, leave some. I'm gonna sew it. So go ahead, you're gonna make one more like this, and I'll see you